Welcome back, Nail Queens, to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you and review the Revel Nails Autumn Winter 2021 collection. This collection is called their Bohemian Bouquet collection. A very interesting take on a collection, I will say. If you have been following trends that have been going around, a boho theme is really in this year. I mean, I'm in love with it. So I feel like that's what Revel was trying to go with this Bohemian Bouquet collection. So as you can tell here, there are very muted and rich warm tones in this collection, and this time instead of having 3 creams and 3 glitters or shimmers, they actually have 4 glitters and shimmers and then 2 solids. So I'm very interested in knowing why they decided to do instead of even split, a 3 and 3, they did 4 and 2. Every year, Revel releases 2 collections like this, which is called their Mates collections. They do a spring and summer set, which is one set, and an autumn and winter set, which is another set. And they come with 6 matching polishes, which are great for if you have a mini-me and you guys want to match your nails. They wear polish, you wear dip, or if you want to paint your little piggies, or if you like nail art. So I'm going to go through and show you every single swatch and let you know at the end what I think about them. Alright, nail queens, I want to know in the comments below what your thoughts about this collection is. I really do think Revel Nail captured the bohemian feel, at least for me they did, and I'm very impressed with some of these like flaky glitters. So I know that they're like, you can't really see it, but when you play with it in person, the texture is just so different. It's so unique from any of the other like flakes or glitters that they have. So I really do like this new formula of glittery flakes that they have. It's really, really unique and really, really nice. So here are all 6 colors. They look a little brighter here than they are on Revel nail swatches. So here's their photo if you need a quick refresher on what it really looks like in person. I think their swatches are very true to color. And these decals were a promo for if you purchased, I believe, the first 3 days that the collection was live, you got these decals. And they're super beautiful, unique, and different. So it's a very interesting way to spruce up your manicures with some decals. Alright, nail queens, I hope that you liked this video and this demo and swatch and review of these colors from Revel's new collection. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I have many more videos like this coming in the future. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!